Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So, I like to go and visit my projects from time to time just because I know that you guys are looking to me for inspiration, but also for honest reviews. And so, it's been a year since I did my last peel and stick flooring review. The flooring that's in this room, I put down 2 years ago. Wow, that was quick. And I did a video, like I said, last year on it. So I want to give you guys an update and let you know how it looks, how this DIY peel and stick vinyl flooring has held up. So let me show you. This video, 2 years old. I haven't had any problems. And this one here, you guys seem to have wanted to see what it looked like for 1 year. So I figured I'd do a 2 year update. So let me know what you guys think. All right, and so while we're at it, I just kind of want to tell you guys that if I had to do this floor over again, I would definitely not stagger the pieces down so symmetrically. I would stagger them a little bit more, but I would say that if you just absolutely hate the flooring in a small room, this is still a good idea. I still stand behind this idea, and I can't believe it's been 2 years. Oh man, this part is so rough watching yourself. Anywho, I just want you guys to remember how much poster board I put down. So technically, if I was going to move, I could just cut this thing up and use it as a hard rug, basically. So I'm super excited that it has held up and that I'm not recommending something that is not of quality. And hopefully you guys have enjoyed it too. All right, and so this is the final result of what it looked like when I first put the flooring down. And it's crazy because actually this was filmed August 25th, 2018. So almost 3 years ago, guys. And I just like the fact that I'm able to document this interior design journey because nobody has a lot of money to just laying around to just buy a bunch of interior design stuff. Sometimes you have to start with where you are. And that's exactly what I did. I had a clothing rack from IKEA, which was $13, as well as a dresser that I got from the as is section. But over time, I have been able to get pack systems and move that dresser into my son's room and repurpose it. And it just all came together. But what did I do? I did exactly what I tell you guys to do. Start somewhere and create a budget. You're literally going to buy things that's going to transform your life. So I am in the process of cleaning this room, just doing some dusting, kind of rearranging some things, and I pulled the rug up and I was like, I need to do another review on this floor because the original video of me installing this floor still gets views to this day, and I still get people asking me questions. How's it holding up? It's better for me to show you than to tell you. So let me show you the floor. Please do not mind the room because like I just said, I'm in the process of cleaning, but this is the floor. No issues anywhere. Kind of zooming in just so you can see if it's a little dirty. Don't mind that because like I said, I am cleaning. But that is the floor up close and personal. I'll show you the edges once I get to that side of the room. Once I finish cleaning this side, let me zoom back out. Yeah, so this is just like a real quick update on how the floor looks. Nothing's peeling. Got a few little spaces, but I think those were there originally, and no lumps or anything like that. Now a lot of you guys have asked me, do I clean them with a mop and stuff like that? I don't eat in my bedrooms. No, I don't clean them with a mop. I use like a Swiffer, a wet Swiffer or something like that, but for the most part it's just dust or dog hair, but no food. If anything, maybe water might spill on it, but I don't eat in this room, so I don't have that problem. Would I put this down in the kitchen? No. I'll show you guys the edges once I am finished with this area. Let me finish cleaning up. All right, this is the corners over here. It's like a small gap right there, but let's see if I can get closer. Yeah, but that, I think there was no poster board there because that looks like the concrete or the tile that's underneath it. But other than that, it just needs to be cleaned. And that's it. So yes, make sure that you are giving yourself time to learn your style, giving yourself the ability to save up for what you really want, because I still like the things that I have today, and the pack systems are going to come with me. When it's time for me to move, they are coming with your girl, okay? Okay? Who doesn't need storage? I'll wait. So yeah, I just really wanted to make this video so I can share that with you guys, and just, like I said, be transparent, because I know that sometimes people are in Home Depot when they're looking these videos up. I do the same thing sometimes, and you want to know if whatever you're looking up is going to work in the long term. So that's why I made this video, and I'll probably make a 3-year, just so we can hold the manufacturers accountable. You know, if they say it's going to hold up, then hey, I'm going to be testing it. Wayne is going to test it. All right, y'all, I don't want to talk you guys to death, but I just wanted to share that with you, and let me know in the comment section if you guys have tried any of the peel and stick flooring, whether it be the marble peel and stick flooring that I did in the bathroom or in this room. Let me know if you tried it and how it's held up for you. I love to get you guys' feedback, okay? All right, so that's it for me. I will see you guys on my next upload. If you like this video, and don't forget to be you, be beautiful, be chic on a budget, and I will see you guys on the next upload. Later, guys.